Hey everybody, how's it going? Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. It is Friday the 13th, and there's a lot of scare in the world, obviously. I actually had a scare too. It wasn't that bad, but I went for my 10,000 steps walk after it was done pouring rain, and I'm like in the middle of my walk where it's like you can't even turn back around and go home, and I hit this area where there's just mosquitoes everywhere, and I was like, great. So I'm just getting bit by mosquitoes left and right. So we'll see what happens throughout the course of the night. Hopefully I don't like break out or anything because I already have allergies and the weather is so bad. Anyways, not the point of this video. The point is Impact Mailing Club's promotion, 2 days left. March 15th is the end of the promotion, okay? So if you want to take advantage of this and join my team and be able to get all sorts of different bonuses and help and a support group and everything, now's the time to do it. If you come in at the Ruby level, which is $250, look at that, I'm already itching, that's not good. Anyways, if you come in at the $250 level, you will get bumped up to the $500 level. So that's going from Ruby to Sapphire. If you go from, if you come in at the Sapphire level, which is a $500 level, you'll get bumped up all the way to the Diamond, which is the $2,000 level. You're basically saving $1,500 there, and you have the ability to earn $1,000 commissions on a $500 investment. I can't tell you how awesome of a deal that is. So let me just show you my website so I can show you exactly how to do this. Let's just keep this short and simple, and let's hope my computer cooperates with me because it's running pretty slow right now. So let's just enter my name. Oh, and this is the website, socialtraffickey.com/IMC, okay, for Impact Mailing Club. So socialtraffickey.com/IMC. It'll be in the description area. Also, if you go to imc.cash, it'll redirect here too. So let's just go ahead and put my email in there. All right, so you'll go to this page. Now here is my information page, sales page, bridge page, whatever you want to call it. You watch this video here.
Hello, this is Nick from nixclicks.biz.
Okay, so that will tell you about the whole program. Now, this video is going to tell you about the program when it's regular pricing. I've already told you about the specials, but if you want to learn the business in full, watch that video. Also, you could just read all of this information. It also explains the whole course. Okay, now when you click on this, any of these links you click, it's going to take you to the same place. It's the same flyer. So you go to this flyer. I need to upload the flyer again because I uploaded one that's already been checked, but don't worry, you can just, just circle whichever one. So print out this form. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Just go ahead and let me check something real quick, because if you go to my other website, Nicholas, NicholasLau.com, if you just go to this form, my name, nicholaslau.com IMC, it should take you directly to the form. And yeah, this one doesn't have any markings on it. So you can just go here. I'll put this in the description area below, but pay attention. This is what you want to do. If you want to get in, all you have to do is print out this form. You probably want to print out 3 copies because you're going to send one to me, you're going to send one to my sponsor, and then you're going to send one to the company, right? So if you say that, hey, Nick, I want to come in at the Ruby, so you'll send me $150 and 2 books of stamps, and you can then you send my sponsor $50 and 2 books of stamps, and then you send the company $50. If you want to come in at the Sapphire, the one where they're going to come in at 5 and bump all the way to the Diamond during the promotional period, send 300 to me, 2 books of stamps, 100 to me, 2 books of stamps. Actually, you know what? Forget the books of stamps. You could send I can't speak on behalf of my sponsor, but for me, you don't have to send the books of the stamps. If you get in during this promo period by the 15th, don't worry about the stamps, okay? I want to make it easier for you. Furthermore, if you're like, hey, Nick, I want to get started right away, is there a way that rather than send the money in the mail, can I get started earlier? Yeah, you can. If you want to send it via Cash App or Zelle, we could do that and get you started a lot sooner too, all right? So that's what you do. You print out this form, send box 1, send the top amount to me, send the second amount to Mary Ann, who's my sponsor, send the third amount to the company. That's it. That's all you have to do. That's literally the entire business, is to print out the form. Now, like I said, for the people that want to get started quicker, you don't have to print out the form and put it in the mail. Just reach out to me personally. We can work out something else, since you don't have to send the stamps anyways. If you just want to pay me electronically, we can get you up and running. All right. So the other bonus is you're going to get a free vacation to one of several destinations that I can offer you. Some of those destinations are in Mexico, some are in Thailand, many of them are in the United States, like Orlando, Las Vegas, Missouri, Tennessee, lots of different places you can go travel to. And what it is the free hotel stay. So all you have to do is pay the hotel taxes, which in most cases is maybe like $20 a night. I don't know. It can vary on hotels. It's what they call the resort fee or the hotel taxes, but the actual room is going to be free. So I know not many people want to travel right now because of the coronavirus and everything, but it's not like it's going to expire. You just tell me that, hey, Nick, I want to take you up on that vacation, and then I'll set it up for you. So if you don't want to use it anytime soon, just let me know when you want to set it up. I'll send you the voucher. We'll take care of that then. Okay, now there is also a website, okay? So that this website that I was just showing you that we were on, if you want this website, I will sell it to you at my cost, which is $97 for the entire year. So this website plus the autoresponder, meaning when you put in that name and email address, it's going to go to an autoresponder, which is going to generate emails to your list, all on automation. I'll get all that set up for you. $97 a year, okay? It's not $97 a month like some other programs out there, just $97 a year, and it's all done for you, okay? And if you want to use my video, you can use my video. You can download it and re-upload it on your YouTube channel so you can get hits on that. And here's my other bonus, okay? So I'm going through a lot of bonuses. But the other one is I will take your link. If you come in at the Sapphire to Diamond, if you come in at that level, I will take your link and put it in a rotator with my link. So when people watch my YouTube videos and click the link, it'll either come to my page or your page or whoever takes me up on that offer. That way you can get free traffic and free sales to your offer, okay? So I would say that that's a big thing for you to get the website set up too. Because if you get the website set up and your link and my link are rotating, if people click on the link and it goes to yours, not only do you have a chance at sales, you have a chance to build your list too, okay? So there's a lot of cool things that are coming on here. So, you know, you get to be with a rotator with me if you come in at the Diamond level. You get a free vacation if you come in at any level. You can get the website at my cost, which is $97 per year. All right, so you're gonna be in a group with two of my business partners and myself where we're teaching all of our internet marketing skills and putting it in a direct mail form. So basically we're gonna take our internet marketing skills, our online marketing skills, and teach it to you in a way that you can apply it to this offline business, if that makes more sense. All right, so that's pretty much all I wanna tell you because I don't wanna confuse you and make this video long. Like I said, if you want to shortcut all this, then just go to nicholaslao.com/IMC. So nicholaslao.com/IMC. If you want to put it in the mail, just go there. You know, this form will come up. Print out 3 copies of this form. Figure out which level you want to come in at, and just follow the instructions. Okay. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. You can message me on Facebook. You can send me an email. You can drop a comment below. You can call me. You can set up a call. There's many ways to get a hold of me. So trust me, if you need to get a hold of me, you will find a way. All of the instructions will be below. Remember, this offer expires on March 15th, and then everything goes back to regular price. So no more Ruby to Sapphire, no more Sapphire to Diamond, okay? So that's the last day until they ever do the promotion again. Because the promotion's been going on for 2 weeks. You know, in order to help the people that got in last week have another week to recruit and bring in more people. So anyways, that's it. My name is Nicholas Law from Dallas, Texas. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you join me on this team. This is going to be big. This is going to be really big because we have a lot of things going on. It's not like you sign up and you're left alone. You're going to be part of a community. You're going to be part of a group. You're going to get a lot of help and support on our team. All right, take care. Bye-bye.